Hello everyone. So I just want to make a quick video showing how to disconnect and kind of find the shift rod pin on an Evinrude outboard. The pin goes right through here. This is your shift linkage. So to remove the lower unit, you basically have to undo all the bolts kind of along the bottom of the lower unit. And after this, you have one more bolt to remove. And this goes through the linkage. This connects basically the bottom half of the motor with the top. And if your motor is all kind of put together properly and you're not sure where this is, it's kind of near the back below your carbs, and it's not easy to see this linkage. You might have to kind of move some hoses a little bit, but this is where it is. And there's different ways of removing it. I think the easiest and quickest way to do it is to remove the starter motor. Now, as I was saying, normally this linkage is pretty hard to see. You can kind of move some hoses to see it, but it's kind of behind the starter motor. So the starter motor kind of fits right in here. And the easiest way, because the starter motor only has 3 bolts. So once you get this thing out of here, it gives you a pretty kind of clear-cut path to the shift linkage. And actually, if you shift the motor into forward or reverse, you will see it move. You can see the linkage move. So you can actually kind of adjust it whichever way you want to kind of move the screw closer to you, so that way you can undo it. Now all you need to do, it's a little tricky to get something in there, but as soon as you undo that one bolt and remove it, you can now remove the lower unit. And it's not easy to get to, but I think this is by far the easiest way. The other way I know is to remove the cowling, which is the plastic cover on the bottom of the motor. Something you ideally do not want to do, as it takes much more time, and it's not the easiest operation, especially by yourself. So if you just need to remove the lower unit and you want to quickly disconnect the shift linkage, take out your starter motor, remove the pin, and you should be good to go.